lost figures, they have to revert it. We have to reverse that. And you have used it to help. And I'll give you all the credit for that. But for you, I could not have done it. उन्होंने कहा, चलिए बाहर आइए, बोलिए. So when we came out, the first few words were spoken by me. That आप लोग तो चिदम्बरम साहब को जानते ही होंगे, वो आपके प्रतिनिधि रहे हैं और अच्छी तरह से प्रतिनिधित्व करते रहे हैं, करके उनसे हमने जो है सब बात किया. और फिर कहा कि अब चिदम्बरम साहब आपको कुछ बोलेंगे. Now, whenever Chidambaram used to come earlier, he will lecture, none of our managers will be present at the meeting. And he would use such kind of abusive languages. कि सेठ के चमचे, ये साले मैनेजर्स जो है आप लोगों के बारे में कुछ नहीं करते हैं, ऐसा वैसा करके सब वो बोलते थे. अब मैं वहाँ खड़ा हुआ हूँ, हमारे सामने बोलेंगे क्या? गाली नहीं दिया उन्होंने. और हमारे मैनेजर्स भी जो थे, जो सुपरवाइजर्स थे, वो लोग भी थे पब्लिक में. तो उन लोगों ने आके बाद में कहा कि साहब ये पहली बार है कि चिदम्बरम साहब के मुंह से एक गाली नहीं निकली, नहीं तो हर दूसरे सेंटेंस में उनके गालियां ही गालियां रहती थी. Now, this was done as a strategy. Correct? That is what the management people will say. But I didn't know the word strategy then. I didn't know that I was using a technique of making friends with my enemy. Today I have in my mobile, somebody has sent me an SMS saying that Abraham Lincoln said that I have no enemies because I made friends of my enemy. And you have made your enemy as your friend, then who is left? So, as a result of all this, we found that strikes became something of the past. If people were unhappy for any reason, I saw to it that what is that unhappiness. If it looked, you see, reasonable, even slightly reasonable, I will give in to them. And say that, look, I am doing this in spite of the fact that these things you people haven't done. Will you give me a promise that from now on you shall not do those wrong things? Now they are going to get some money. So what will they say? Yes, 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 we will do that. That's the thing you do to the children. They ask for something, the parents say,